everyone. Welcome back. I'm Candace. I have another card for you today. This one is an Easter card. It has some peekaboo bunnies on it. Also, you can see it's got some pretty colorful backgrounds. Even though it's an Easter card, I think it would be so cute as a baby card. So that's what I'm going to make. As a matter of fact, I'm going to make it into a shaker card. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing I'm going to make is the background. Now, I know the baby I'm making this for is a boy, so I want to use some blue as a main color. I have peacock feathers right here. I've not been a terrific blender. One of the secrets is to swirl lightly onto the cardstock, starting off the cardstock and swirling onto it. Also, I'm holding my blender at a slight angle, raising the front of it off the cardstock. That helps me have a little more control of the color. Now I have some twisted citron. What I want to do is blend the blue and the green. That's the part of the cardstock I want to capture for the background of the bunny peeking out. This ink is going on very smoothly. The third color I'm using is Scattered Straw. It's a soft yellow. Again, I'm starting off the card and blending into the green and eventually the blue. Let me add some more blue for good measure. Now that I'm done, I'm going to cut this down a bit. This measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches, which is the same size as the front panel. I want it to be slightly smaller so it doesn't show. Then I'll set it aside. All right, here's the main panel, and it's 3 3/4 by 5 inches. This is the Simon Says stamp die called Peking Bunny. I want to cut it out twice. The first one will be straight up, and the second one will be lower on the panel and at an angle. The first bunny came out nice and clean and crisp. The second one too. I'm really happy with the results. I'm using my little pick to poke out the extra pieces. Here's the background, and here are the Peking bunnies. Oh, look at that. Isn't that sweet? These are nice soft backgrounds. It'll be really cute. Before I go any further, I want to stamp the sentiment because it'll be too hard to do once it's a shaker card. I have some Memento Bahama Blue dye ink. I like my stamp positioner. It gives me the opportunity to stamp several times if the first impression isn't clear. This stamp reads, "Heard you have some bunny new on the way." That's from Simon Says Stamps, and the stamp set is called Bunny Wishes. Perfect stamping. Let's close this up and set it aside. Now I'm going to turn this into a shaker card. I have some window sheeting. Actually, this is part of a clear binding cover. I like the weight of it. I cut it into 2 pieces. I think that works better for the card. I'm using my tape runner to put the tape all around the cutout so that I can apply the clear plastic cover to it. I put the window sheeting over the bunnies. Then I get long strips of mounting tape. I double it up so there's room for the shaker elements to move around. I'm not worried about putting the tape in a circle. Getting it close is all that matters. Once the tape is around the bunny circle, I put it all around the perimeter of the card. I put cornstarch inside the circle to keep the shaker elements from sticking to the plastic. I add a little too much cornstarch, so I have to clean some out. This is a place where a regular embossing bag would be better. I put some blue sequins in the top section and a mixture of sequins and beads in the bottom, but they're mostly beads. Then I carefully remove the tape backing. Carefully, I put the backing on. Listen to the shakers. My card base is 11 by 4¼ inches and is scored and folded at 5½. I have a blue background panel because, well, it's for a boy. And now I attach my top layers to the base. I didn't tack down the bunny ears, but if you don't like them raised off the surface, you may choose to do so. I'm adding some green, blue, and yellow Nuvo crystal drops to add a little color to the white areas. I had some trouble with the green because it doesn't flow well. Let me know if you have this problem too, and if you have a solution. I also had trouble with the blue Nuvo drops, but that was operator error. Fortunately, I was able to fix it. And here is the adorable shaker card, perfect for a little baby. Thanks for stopping by. Give me a like and leave a comment, and come on back. Have a great day. Bye.